Have you ever thought of what is the most expensive car ever built? Probably not. In this video we introduce you with the most expensive car in the world, with explaining its unique features and special specifications, which have made this car to get the title of the most expensive car in the world. Then at the end of this video, we will talk about its ultra expensive price. Let's explore it. Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail is a spectacular one-off coach-built roadster turned coupe, commissioned as the first of only 4 Droptails. Here are its standout features. Design and paintwork. Black Baccarat rose inspiration. Both exterior and interior reflect this deep, dark pearlescent rose motif. True Love paint. A multi-layered red lacquer finish over 5 clear coats, developed through 150+ iterations, shifts hues depending on light. Hydroshade brightwork. A dark, almost black chrome finish created via an innovative electrolyte process in plating just 1 micron thick. Sculptural coachwork. 5.3 per m long, 2 per m wide with dramatic sail-influenced cowls and a dropping rear line evoking yacht design. Design and engineering excellence. Rolls-Royce is renowned for its attention to detail, engineering excellence, and craftsmanship. Each vehicle involves hundreds of hours of handwork, including bespoke embroidery, intricate woodwork, and custom upholstery. Convertible mechanics. Removable hardtop. A carbon fiber roof converts the Droptail from an open roadster to a sleek coupe. Electrochromic glass insert. A self-shading roof section allows instant tint control for light and privacy. Interior craftsmanship. Intricate parquetry. Over 1,603 pieces of French black sycamore wood veneer form a cascading rose petal pattern, first in complexity for Rolls-Royce. Duotin leather. Seats trimmed in dark mystery and light true love reds with copper shimmer, echoing rose petals. Hand-stitched leather upholstery, often in bespoke color combinations. Advanced climate control, bespoke audio systems, and personalized features for utmost comfort. Metal accents. Interior metal components carry the hydroshade finish, meticulously hand-polished. Exceptional materials and artistry. The car features rare materials, such as custom interior woods, precious metals, and bespoke paint finishes like the La Rose Noire, Black Rose theme. The use of luxurious, handcrafted materials adds to the price. Bespoke timepiece and champagne experience. Integrated Audemars Piguet watch. A custom Royal Oak concept, 43mm, split seconds chronograph, GMT, sits in the fascia and can be removed and worn. Here's a detailed breakdown of the bespoke watch created by Audemars Piguet for the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail. Removable mechanism. The watch is housed in a motorized retractable mount on the dashboard. It can be displayed prominently on the fascia. Be removed and worn on the wrist by the owner. This is a one-of-a-kind piece not available commercially. Built exclusively for the La Rose Noire Droptail, it forms part of the car's overall identity. Champagne chest. A built-in cooler holds bespoke Champagne de Lossy from the family's vineyard and crystal flutes, with a parquetry-covered lid serving as a tray. Performance and engineering. Powerful V12. A twin-turbo 6.75 per liter V12 delivers approximately 600 horsepower and 840 Nm torque. Some sources mention 593-654 bhp. Monocoque chassis. A new steel aluminum carbon fiber structure enhances rigidity, handling, and safety. Performance figures. 0-100 km/h in around 5 per second. Electronically limited top speed 250 km/h, 155 mph. Advanced suspension includes rear-wheel steering and air suspension for both agility and refinement. Exclusivity and price. Ultra limited. Only 4 drop-tail units are planned, with La Rose Noire being the first unveiled at Monterey Car Week 2023. Estimated cost: around $32 million, making it one of the most expensive new production cars ever. Limited production and rarity: the Droptail is a limited edition model, with only a few units made. Its rarity and exclusivity greatly increase its value and desirability among collectors and enthusiasts. Final thought. The La Rose Noire Droptail is more than a car, it's a deeply personal and artistic automotive sculpture. Its blend of advanced engineering, hyper-luxurious materials, and storytelling through design sets a new benchmark in bespoke coach building. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like to it. We would like to know your thoughts about this masterpiece, so please write your comments below. What do you think? Does it deserve $32 million? Or there are other cars you prefer to this car?